this noble work that is going on honest. I thank all that have come and to bring this work to reality. We cannot thank you enough. We thank you, beloved Pastor K. We thank you, Brother Kevin. We thank you, my beloved Wilbur, brother, and Brother Paul, and the entire New Song family. We cannot thank you enough. We are grateful. We are happy. Our heart is full of joy. The children will be happy. School is resuming on the 25th, and the roofing sheet is is on now. And this is Saturday. School is going to resume on Monday with great excitement. God, this is God. This is the finger of God for you to bring out all you have been able to give in support of this work. It is the Lord's doing. Our good God will surely reward you.
Amen.
You are taking care. These are your spiritual children. You are in Africa. You are taking care of them, giving them a place to worship, giving the Muslim family a place to fellowship, giving the school a place to write the national exam. This you have done, and for your continuous support, heaven will surely reward you.
Amen.
We are thankful to God for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you a million for what you have done. May God bless you.
Amen.